Hello, and welcome to live streaming. It's the London session, the market. It's still a little bit slow. I'm anticipating that the dollar in London session will start moving lower. That's my anticipation. As it looks to me, it's very not volatile movement as it stands right now. For me, this is very corrective movement. No any strong movement currently, but I just want it to start moving lower. I want to see this break out during this session over there. This is my anticipation. I have triggered the euro dollar and Aussie USD trades based on that, but we'll see how this will go. I have triggered the, the live is on. I just quickly checked if everything works good. Perfectly fine. Stable connection is there, so for our, I still believe that there is the sell stop. Buy stop, I don't have any buy stop, so anyway, there isn't any counter trend trade, so we'll still watching this for more downside, continuation to the downside. If this goes up, I will just have a stop loss and that's it. I will then relook at the structure, then I will relook what is there. Is there anything else that I can trade? Should I change the direction? Here's the euro dollar. This is my personal trade. I have the trade. I do anticipate now it will start breaking higher. This is a similar view as we have on the dollar. I'm anticipating now this break over there to sustain and start developing all the way to the upside. If not, then nothing will change. I will take a stop loss and that's it. Simple. There's nothing to do. Oh. I'm still seeing this movement to the upside. That's the huge channel, and this pullback, it's very strong. What maybe can bother me over there is this running flat over there, which can mean one quick low and then high, but no sell stop. There's no sell stop, so I won't change the direction because this everything together, it's still a buy setup. I cannot say that this is the sell stop. This is too tiny. This is too small and too tiny correction for sell, so I would rather be stopped out, because if buy will start, this has much bigger potential than my stop loss could ever be. So I have to stay with this buy. I'm not changing the direction. I'm not changing my thinking. Pound USD, same there. Same there. This has to continue to the upside. 15-minute. It somehow misses the structure. This could be 1, 2, and this could be the 3, something like that. Simple small triangle over there, and then going to the upside. Very possible movement. I'll be deleting this because otherwise it's just too much mess on the chart. I want to have always a clear chart. Aussie USD, I took this one as well. We'll see how it goes. If stop loss, okay, I will move forward. But I do anticipate maybe during the London, the New York session, we will have this break to the upside over there. We will see. But I already have the trades over there. New Zealand USD nothing, USD Chief nothing. This looks like a sell stop. This everything together is like one confirmation based on this impulse. We are very nicely correcting over there, so I do anticipate as well break the downside over there. Yeah, this is similar as the other dollar pairs for upside. Yeah, very clean, and we know what the chart is supposed to do, where we are trading with it, in which direction. USD CAD. I knew that this one is not gonna go lower. This is the only pair that I don't see it will go lower. This is some triangle over there forming. That's not a continuation pattern, that's a reversal pattern. So I mean, not reversal, reversal for this movement. It is reversing this sell impulse. I don't see this will break down. Anyway, I will not trade it. This is not spot for me where I will trade it, but it can easily extend to the upside, and it can tag this trend line easily. I will anyway not trading there. I will not trade there. I either have sell, not buy stop. I don't like it currently, where it is and how it looks like right now from this spot. USD CAD is the only chart and the pair that I won't take any trade. USDN didn't trigger anything, didn't give me anything. Instead, give me the buy. I didn't consider taking this buy. I'll be still waiting for this sell. So this is exactly a good scenario when and how these corrections are and confirmations are protecting me from jumping the gun. Because if I will not have a break and confirmation rule, then I will be jumping there in the sell, for example, because if I want to take a sell, I see the sell it's about to come, and the best timing to enter it is after the confirmation, and that's exactly how I trade. Here is the good example. It didn't give me anything, so that's it. Let me explain you why most traders are losing there. First thing is they will make analysis and they will start sell based on trend line. They will do something, I don't know, some strong candles, they will sell there. But what will happen in reality? The market was not ready. It will just go little up and then totally reverse, because market by itself, by its nature, it didn't confirm that it will continue to the downside. And we can see that from the chart. He didn't create a sell impulse and then confirm it, because this will mean that the market is ready to continuously move forward, and then all position can be and all position you can hold. That's what it will mean. So that's exact moment which I think it couldn't be explained better. It's a live example of how to jumping the gun can cause you losing additional money than you have ever prepared of losing it. So yeah, but for buy, you could be a buyer over there. If you decide to buy, yes, you could buy, but I don't like to buy there at this top. It's structurally it's not for me. That doesn't mean it can go higher. Yes, it can go, but this looking structure, this is something that I don't like to sell, to buy, sorry. I would rather these kind of structures is what I will sell always. This one's still the sell. I will still patiently wait to break, pull back, and go. Gold, same. Gold is it's for me very high in the structure. So something like this is supposed to happen, and we will go down. And that's live example of why I shouldn't be buying it and why I shouldn't be jumping the gun. Look at that one. There isn't any confirmation that the price will go to the downside. You can go for the buy, that's normal. And It has better chance buying there and then going up. Yes, still good. But I don't like to buy that much up because let me explain you one thing. I want to get in the trade and then hold it for a bigger movement. And this is the reason why I don't want to get in over there on gold, because if I will get there, it will go up, I should take profit, and this is not my way of trading. I want it to hold. I want it to catch the wave at the beginning on its development or at the middle. In the middle, I'm keep on adding into that trade, into that trend. But as it stands right now, where it's at the top of the structure, where max target is 1-to-1 and you have to get out, this is the quick trade in and out. This is something that I'm not interested, because I want to take the whole movement from the start and to the ending, okay? And it's the only reason why I'm not taking the trade. It's very easy. I'm sticking to those rules and I don't violate it. But I believe that there are many traders that will go for this buy. EURUSD. This motherfucker has just went without me, because what happened over there is I fell asleep. First I was watching it at the evening. It was evening my time, and the setup was in the middle of the night my time. So that's the reason why I didn't take it, because I felt asleep. And I'm still a little angry about it, but never mind. I am focusing on next setup, because fuck it. The next setup is coming. I shouldn't stay in the past. If this trade went without me, it's okay. I will get another opportunity. Another chart is setting up there for me, but it was good one, I can say like this. Look at that one. This is very good buy setup that I've been waiting since yesterday. Since yesterday I was mentioning that I am waiting for this setup to confirm, to appear, but I fell asleep. Things like that will happen. That's not the first time. It's not the last time. It will happen. More often, I think. Just a second, let me just grab a water. So, yen is something that I should forget. It's almost at the target, so that's it. Maybe I will get better chance with the sell. It's supposed to be in my time zone. During the night, these trades are very annoying, because it happened sometimes that I woke up, there's nothing. I woke up and then in 1 hour again, there's nothing. Again, woke up after 1 hour, there's still nothing. And that what drives me crazy sometimes, but that's the job. That's the cost of doing the job. I have to monitor it. I have to keep an eye on it. Even during the night, even if this is not in my zone, I have to push it. I have to monitor it. And this will probably go another high and then it will go lower. Very sure about it. We'll see. UK. I'm not taking the buy over there because I don't believe in this structure. I'm always waiting for structure that comes in alignment with my idea in my head and with the structure. This one is where I will wait for sell, definitely. I don't care how great buy setups looks like. I decided that I will wait for sell. Drop, pull back, and then I will be trading it. Simple. Still nothing. So everything that I have is dollar, so I will not chase anything else. Here's what I'm still waiting. Since yesterday it went up, I wanted to drop, pull back, and then I will be holding the trades a little longer because here's a good explanation what I wanted to do. I wanted to get and catch those trades and then hold it as long as I can to grab this kind of the movement. Same there. I want to get in this movement, this wherever, or not sorry. I want to grab this movement. This is the whole movement, and I will be adding wherever I want. But definitely last part of it, this is where I don't want to take, because what's the wave? Wave is this. It's minimalistic wave. It's not big one. If you see that, you have to understand. For example, here as well. This is downside. What is my move? This is my move. This is my aim. The aim is not like this small. It's the whole movement from the beginning to the ending. I want a big move, not the small, tiny wave in the middle of something or one candle on daily. Gosh, that makes no sense to me. I want to get in and hold it, stay with the trend for as long as I can. This is how money is made. Money is made by waiting plus holding the trades plus adding. Where everyone thinks it's reversal, I'm adding. But I have to wait for my opportunity. I have to wait for my flow. Once I'm in the flow, I can easily get in, out, in, out, in, out. I'm just going to the market like that. Very easy. They always make this new high, and then, I mean always, very often, they do this and they do this around 11 o'clock. There may be the break. Or maybe not, it can just explode the upside, who knows? We don't know. I have the stop losses. I will see there and I will be just simply stopped out if this thing will not work. The higher it goes, the bigger the profit is, I think. This is where most traders will be jumping in this. And that's exactly where most of them loses its money. They're jumping in the sell over there because they see red candles. And these red candles can be retraced very, very fast because the sell, the move to the downside, it's not yet confirmed. And if the move is not yet confirmed, you shouldn't be triggering the trades over there. No sells should be open. Just stay by doing nothing. Just observe before getting into the sell. That's the whole point of trading, and that's why most people are losing money. They decided to sell, and once they start seeing some red candles, they are selling because they saw the red candles, and this is their confirmation. What makes no sense. Market needs to confirm when it's ready, not you. You're just seeking for confirmation, and if you when you're under the pressure and when you want to trade, you will find confirmation anywhere. So that's the biggest problem. You will find the confirmation if you want to. You will violate it. You will be aggressive. You will be in delusion. But the market is different thing. I'm always waiting that the market will tell me when it's ready and when I should enter. There's a huge difference. Let me just take off this. So if anybody just joins, will not think that we almost entered. We didn't. We are waiting for confirmation. staying with the trade and do nothing. That's that's the key. Yes, I'm already in euro dollar buy. Did you take it? What is my view on US 30? Let's see. Let me open that for you. I do believe it's losing its momentum. Now the question is this or there for me. Is this the part of the correction for one more up, or this could be 1, 2, 3. Tag that low and then extend all the way up. And that could be then the over, and then from there it can start its way to nonsense. I wouldn't trade yet over there. Or if I would decide to trade, I will do that on 15 minutes. Currently there is nothing. I would trade it like this. Waited for a strong impulsive movement, then I will wait for confirmation pullback, and then I will take this trade first over there. From there to there, and I will be watching it around the previous bottom. If it starts to struggle, if it is not breaking, then I will take profit and maybe go in this buy, but this is too short. I won't trade that short. I rather wait for a sell. Yeah. This move needs to correct. This whole movement needs to correct for me. This shit needs to correct at least. Not with deep, but maybe just a slight pullback over there. This pullback will be enough. Something like that. This is what I think that the chart will do. Very possible scenario. This, it either goes now and create 1, 2, 3 flag in this range. Drop, pullback, going down, and then it can go up, and then from there it can go down. That's how I see it. Now it can still extend, or it can now go and push harder to the upside, then drop and start from here. This is one more option. Two options are there now. Something like that. Are you trading only US 30 or? I haven't taken the euro dollar because I think the correction will reach 0.78 level Fibonacci, which will be optimal in my view. That's too complex for me. It can. It can. This can go down as well, definitely. But you cannot know this. I'm really not the fan of Fibonacci. It's something that I don't trade. Fibonacci it's confusing me too much because I can place it like this, like that, like this, and it's really not a stable tool for me. And that's why I don't appreciate that Fibonacci levels so much. I tried that once to trade based on this retracement of Fibonacci, but it's really not for me. But yes, Fibonacci it could be a great tool if you learn how to use it. Are you using since very long the Fibonacci or this motherfucker has gone? Damn it. Very nice extension on oil. I will wait your Aussie. Just a second. Just a second. Let me see this one. And I will take a look on Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, you said. Euro Aussie is looking very nice, like a buy setup. Very much like a buy setup. I think this is good one for buy setups in case if it will start going and giving the buy setups. Good one, yeah. Buy, big buy. This to go and some pullback. Go, pullback and go. How do you see it? Do you see it the same way? Yes, I'm in for buys. Great, great, great. It's EURUSD. It's a good setup. It look nice. It has a nice flag over there. I really like it. Structurally, I like it. It has a strong structure for buy. I will trade it like that. This Bitcoin is very funny over there. Crazy. This one is becoming interesting to me. In case if it drops and then pulls back, give me something that I can take. Your cat is ready for sell. Let me see. It's getting ready, huh? That's not the sell setup, I think. It could be a good setup, definitely. That could be great setup. But I will not take it as I have already trade, so I will not go for this one. But it could be definitely a great sell. Yep, looking great. If this sell is going to be taken, stop losses anyway needs to be above this high over there. I will not take it because I have dollar. Dollar it's for me better setup currently. Pound USD, ways you take on it. I didn't take pound USD. I took Euro USD and Oz USD. But this one looks much better, yeah, than Euro dollar. Never mind. But here's it looks still missing part of the structure. This can still go down. I think this could be one move impulse. This could be 1 to 3. This could be 1 and then 1, 2 and 3. Just to take the low and then up. Very possible. That's more complex. I think pound USD can be more complex than it looks like. I don't know. I just took the euro dollar. It looks better to me. And also USD. This one looks much better. I'm looking for this movement. I already have the trade over there. I'm already in USD. It looks good. I executed based on rules and that's it. If the setup will not work, then fuck it. I have nothing to do. I just can move on the next trade, next setup. But for now, everything looks good. I did perfect. I think this one can stop over there. Drop, take those lows, and then it can start to reverse for one more high. Then there to be the drop. I think very possible scenario if there won't be any aggressive movement. Hi everybody. Gold, yes. I will take a look on gold. Gold is very high, so I think we will have a deeper correction over there. It's worth of taking the sells. But sell, it's not ready yet. That's pretty much for buy now. I wouldn't be selling it yet. It's still much more buy setup than it's the sell. So this one more high, maybe like this. Break and then drop and then correct and then it will drop. This is highly likely. Very possible. I think they all are behaving quite similarly when they are at the top. Look at that one. It went lower, it gives a buy setup, it went by, it gives another buy setup, and then it goes one more up. So similar kind of behavior. I think it will be over there. Sell, it's not ready yet. In case if it drops, then yeah, I will leave it and then join on the pullback. Joining at the pullback. This is where I will be entering. Are you guys trading breakouts or reversals? Use the chat, let me know. Are you guys trading breakouts or reversals? What is your type of entry? How you're trading? Bitcoin. Let's see the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still there where I will not trade it. It looks like this is the correction for more sell, but sell it's still not that big to worth of trading it. It's behaving there in this structure, and for sell it needs to drop, pull back, and then take a trade. But potential and opportunity, it's very slow. But we can take it if trading, because getting in there, wherever, breakout, whatever you're doing, place to break even. If it breaks down, great. You have a nice trade, because downside sells on Bitcoin are still better opportunity for me than buying it, because I don't see any buy on Bitcoin. This is where I keep my focus. I always place my focus on bigger movements. So the bigger movement is this. Come on, sorry. The bigger movement is this, and this. So every sell that I will take, I will hold and try to get the most out of it. But from there, I think I won't be able to catch this buy, because sell, sorry, because this sell will do something like this: ABC for buy, impulse ABC, and then buy like this, tagging this trend line, and this everything together will become 1 to 3 for one bigger correction for downside. They always tend to do these big corrections before they go in the bigger correction. Look at that one. They always do A, B, big C, and then they go. So A, B, C, and then they go. Definitely sell is something that I will focus on, and I will be ignoring any buy that will appear over there. So in case if this drops, makes a nice pullback, then I will take a sell and put it in break even. If it breaks, pull back, I will take it, and as soon as the chart will start moving, I'll put it in break even and see. If it breaks down, great. If it reverses, I will take a break even and wait again to sell it from the top. Definitely will not be chasing these buys. Buys are something that I will ignore completely. Based on higher time frame structures, that's a nice sell. This is very nice sell once it will be ready. Maybe even I will take it if I will not have any other trades. If price will come there, I'll start watching for sales. This would be very nice movement. I think this could take up a few months. Something like this can happen over there till that March. until the March there it could be, but having trades over there, oh gosh, it could be nice. It could be the similar movement like this one. So come on, sorry. So what? Why not having it? This is the movement that I'm anticipated, and that's my main focus. Big waves, big trends, and holding, stick to the trends. Oh gosh, that's nice money. You're welcome. How you will trade it? Are you taking the same kind of the trade? I want to see now the continuation over there on DXY. So did anybody take the euro dollar? Type W in chat if you took the euro dollar setup. W in chat if you took the euro dollar trade for the buy. Seriously, nobody didn't take euro dollar trade? W in chat if you guys took the euro dollar. Seriously, I would really like to know if anybody took it. Nifty and USDN. Yeah, okay, I will check it. Just a second. USDN, I think it will stop there at the top, and this will be a good chance to start selling it a little bit lower, and then we will having a nice decent move to the downside. It can go all the way back to this, and this could be a structure. Oh, sorry. That's how I see it. Something like this. And that's this move to the downside, definitely. So yeah, the move is this. That will be the move on USDN. Nifty, just a second. Nifty. Let me add it. Nifty. Is this the correct one? I hope so. If this is not the correct one, let me know. Let me know in the chat if I'm using the proper Nifty. Am I using the proper Nifty? Let me know in the chat, please. Type Y if I'm using the good one. I took this one. There's another one as well. I think so. It's the good one. This structure, it's missing some parts. It's not looking like a sell. It's looking more like a buy, but there isn't any buy yet. It's not ready yet for buy. I wouldn't trade it over there for now. Until I have a clear price action for buy. I would wait for going up, pullback, and then I will take a trade for the buy. Definitely I will not be selling it. It's not clear for sell. For sell there, it's a confusion currently. It could be like this, and like this. This is also possible. This one can go even further high, further. Yeah, definitely. These to go higher and higher. Where's my dollar? Okay, guys, be right back in 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes and I will be back in 5 minutes. I will leave everything as this on. And yes, leave a comment if you want me to analyze any chart for you. So here I am back again. Since this is euro dollar, it's slowly loading.